Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose QuietComfort Ultra Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to hard reset these earbuds. So I will explain you in 3-step process. So let's start. In the first step, we have to connect this charging case to power. So here I have this Type-C charger. I will connect it to the charging case, and then you will see this light in front, which means the charger is connected properly. Now you have to open the charging case, and then you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert these earbuds one by one. So I will insert this left earbud as well. Now what you have to do, you have to close this charging case for 5 seconds. So you have to wait for 5 seconds, and then after 5 seconds you have to open this charging case again. So now I will open this charging case, and then what you have to do, at the back side you will see this Bluetooth button. So you have to press and hold this Bluetooth button for 30 seconds. So I will press and hold this Bluetooth button for 30 seconds, and then on top you will see this blue light. It will start blinking, then it will turn into white light, and then again it will turn into blue light, and then it will turn off. So we have to wait until it turned off. So here you can see it turned into white, now it turned into blue, and then it will turn off. So now you can see it is completely turned off. Now we can release this Bluetooth button. Now we have to move to the second step. In the second step, you have to open Bluetooth settings on your phone. So here I open the settings, and here is the Bluetooth option. So I will select this Bluetooth option. So here you can see the Bluetooth is turned on, and here it is showing me Bose QC Ultra Earbuds, but it is saying not connected. So if I select this Bose QC Ultra Earbuds, after few seconds it will say connection unsuccessful, but it is giving me the option of forget device. So I will select this forget device option, and then what you have to do, you have to turn off the Bluetooth. So I will turn off the Bluetooth, and then you have to turn it on again. So I will turn it on like this, and then now it is showing me Bose QC Ultra Earbuds in my available devices. Now if I select this Bose QC Ultra Earbuds, now this time it will get connected. So that means the hard reset is done completely, and now you can use your Bose QC Ultra Earbuds. Now let's move to the third step. In the third step, we have to connect these earbuds to Bose Music app. So I will open the Bose Music app. So here is the app. So I will open it, and then here you see this option of connect a product. So you just select this option of connect a product, and then here you see this option of headphones and frame. So you have to select this headphones image, and then if you want to create your Bose account, you can create it from here. Otherwise you can also skip it. So I will skip it from here, and then it will start searching, and then after a few seconds it will show you Bose QC Ultra Earbuds, and it is also giving you the option of connect. So I will select this connect option, and then after a few seconds your earbuds will get connected with the app. So here you can see everything is done. So here you select this option of all set, and then you can select this option of get started, and now your Bose QC Ultra Earbuds are also connected to the app, and you can use all the features and functionalities. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.